My journey began at senior school really, when I was inspired by a wonderful textile teacher. She recognised my passion and enthusiasm. She took me under her wing and gave me the confidence and self-belief to develop and grow. So the seed was planted. So at 13 years old, I placed a handwritten advert at the sewing shop in my local village. Before long, and with a little lunchtime help from my teacher, I was making ball gowns and bespoke clothing for people in the evenings and on weekends. I loved the work and the word spread. It felt liberating. Then at 15, I applied for and was offered an apprenticeship at Norman Hartnell Limited, official tailors to the Queen. John Anderson, who interviewed me, said, "I was most impressed with your work and felt quite sure you will prove to be a most valuable employee." The offer was exhilarating, though sadly the timing and circumstances were not right. It felt tragic, but rather than dampen my enthusiasm, it was ignited. By now, alongside my own work, I was gaining yet more experience making beautiful curtains and upholstery for well-respected soft furnishing companies. But this was just the beginning. As my confidence grew, my imagination began to run free. People were no longer asking me to stick to a brief, they wanted my creative input. Along with the soft furnishings, I was commissioned to make stunning wedding dresses, tailored suits, theatre curtains, and so much more. I even reupholstered a London bus. In 2013, my passion became a full-time business and the House of Garrod was born. Since then, we have built a team that all share the same passion for creativity, an eye for detail and designing the extraordinary for our clients. Each commission starts with a conversation. This may lead to a uniquely upholstered sofa, elegant curtains, or even a complete interior design project, from wall and floor coverings right down to custom embroidery on a cushion. However, for every client, the journey is deeply personal, and the thrill of hitting all the right notes when the project is completed makes for the most rewarding experience. It's why our mantra at House of Garrod is, "The world is your exquisite oyster, let's create magnificence."